Hello everybody, it's me Max, and today we'll be making delicious chicken crisp sandwiches. For this chicken crisp we need medium onion finely chopped, 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon mustard, salt and black pepper, and mix well. Chicken breasts about 2 pounds. We will add the mix to the chicken and then we will mix well. We will cover it and we will put it in the refrigerator for 30 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, we will remove the mix that we put on our chicken as you see. For the chicken cover, we need flour, breadcrumbs with 2 tablespoons cornstarch, two eggs with salt and black pepper. We will add a little bit of milk to our eggs. We will take our chicken and then we will put flour on both sides of our chicken. And we will remove any extra flour as you see in the video. We will take our chicken and place it on the egg. After that, we will place it on our breadcrumbs, but we will push on it. After we've done the same process to all of our chicken, we will put it in the freezer from 20 to 30 minutes. In a heat pan filled with oil, we will place our chicken. Now we will put the flame on medium heat. We will fry our chicken on both sides until it is the color of gold. We will place it on a paper towel for any extra oil. Now you will need tortilla or Syrian bread with 1 big tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now we will add tomatoes, lettuce, and onions, or any vegetables of your choice. We will place our chicken in the sandwich and we will roll it up and put on it like you see in the video. Now we will place our sandwich in a heat grill or pan, as you see. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.